When you are a manager, you work for your company. When you are a leader, your company works for you. Stand slap. Welcome, gentlemen. I am Dr. Kamran Sandhu from The Rised. In this video, you will learn 8 theories of leadership. Leadership is the act of directing an individual's or a group's resources towards the achievement of particular priorities and visions. Theories of leadership. Leadership theories attempt to understand how some individuals rise to position of power, that is leadership. Some of these ideas aim to describe the traits that individuals may imitate to enhance their own leadership skills in various contexts, while others concentrate on the qualities of the leaders. Early leadership theories concentrated on the characteristics that differentiated leaders from followers, while later theories examined other aspects such as environmental factors and ability levels. Although several various leadership theories have arisen, the majority of them fall into 8 categories. Here are a list of 8 theories of leadership. It starts from the great man theory, the trait theory, behavioral theory, contingency theory, Hersey-Blanchard situational theory, charismatic leadership theory, transactional leadership theory, and transformational leadership theory. The first one, the great man theory. Thomas Carlyle proposed the great man theory in 1840s. As per his findings, leaders are born to lead. He says great leaders are simply born with the necessary internal characteristics such as charisma, confidence, intelligence, social skills that make them natural born leaders. If we conclude, great leaders are born, not made. So this is the philosophy of great man theory. Criticism. The theory was questioned and criticized because of these points. Number 1, male-centric approach. It was a male-centric approach when women have proved to be great leaders too. Number 2, inherent trait. This theory explains that leadership cannot be learned or taught. It is an inherent trait. Then comes no scientific validation. There is no scientific validation to support this theory. It neglected the environmental and situational factors which affect the leadership process. Number 2, the trait theory. Rolf M. proposed the trait theory of leadership in the late 1940s. This theory states that people inherit certain qualities and traits that make them better suited to leadership, and these qualities are physiological traits like height, weight, structure, socioeconomic characteristics like gender, religion, occupation, literacy, personality traits, extraversion, self-confidence, patience, agreeable, reliable, honesty, intellectual traits, decisiveness, intelligence, judgment, task-related traits, attainment drive, dedication, initiative, etc. Social characteristics, socially active. Number 7, more qualities like charisma, adaptiveness, creativity, and uniqueness. Criticism. This theory was criticized since it neglected the environmental factors which may not always remain the same. The list of the trait is quite vast and keeps on changing from time to time. It was unable to explain failures despite possessing the certain traits specified in the theory. Moreover, of the identified traits can be acquired through learning and training. Then comes behavioral theory. The behavioral theory of leadership evolved in 1950s. Behavioral theories of leadership are based upon the belief that great leaders are made, not born. It is actually flip side of the great man theories. As I mentioned earlier, great man theories said that leaders are born, and what this theory is explaining, that great leaders are made, not born. This theory is more focused on actions of the leader, not on mental qualities or internal status. They focus that whatever a person will perform, that is important rather than its internal status or mental qualities. To study the behavior of leaders, two major research programs were initiated. The Ohio State University studies, researchers identified two major categories. Number one, consideration, means leaders are attentive towards their subordinates and build up an excellent interpersonal relationship with them. Number two, initiating structure. The leaders are majority concerned about the achievement of goals and schedule and structure work accordingly. For such leaders, subordinates are just resources and they have to make the optimal utilization of them. This was termed as task-oriented behavior. The University of Michigan studies. This study is based on how the leader's behavior is related to group performance. Researcher made a comparison of effective managers with the ineffective ones and found that the two can be discriminated on the basis of their behavior, that is, job-centric behavior and organizational member-centric behavior. This study further resulted in the identification of 4 additional behavioral essentials for effective leadership, which are support, goal emphasis, work facilitation, and interaction facilitation. Number 4, contingency theory. According to this theory, no leadership style is best in all situations. Effective leadership comprises of all 3 factors, that is, traits, behavior, and situations. What I said? Traits, behavior, and situation. A leader's behavior varies as per the situation. Good leaders are able to assess the needs of their followers, understand the situation, and then adjust their behaviors accordingly. So what this theory is saying, that there is no leadership style which is best for all situations. To support this theory of leadership, various models were developed. Number 1, Fred Fielder's contingency model, Hersey Blanchard situational theory, Evans and House path goal theory, Virom Yatan Jogo decision-making model, cognitive resource theory, strategic contingencies theories. So these are the models which have been developed to support contingency theory. Then comes charismatic leadership theory. The leader must possess some extraordinary and exceptional qualities to become an effective leader. 2 key points: extraordinary and exceptional qualities. They must be having key traits like envisioning, forcing, future forcing, energizing, empowering, team empowerment, and enabling, guiding, means guiding the team to achieve certain tasks. Number 6, transactional leadership theory. Transactional leadership theory emphasizes the realization of desired outcome and result. So it is result focused, outcome focused, rewarding the performers and punishing the non-performers. This is the key spirit of this transactional leadership theory. I will repeat again: rewarding the performers and punishing the non-performers. Cordial relationship with the followers, they try to develop this. Work mutually to meet organizational goals. They work in team with networking, interacting so as to get the desired results. Number 7, transformational leadership theory. A leader is effective only if he can transform or change the perceptions, behavior, and expectations of the followers and direct them towards a common goal. So here we have to focus on transformation of perceptions, behavior, and expectations towards organizational objectives. There are some key factors behind transformational leadership. So number 1, psychological transformation. Bring about a change in the perception and mindset of the follower. Then comes influential. Creates a strong impact on the followers. Motivational. Generates positive energy within the followers. Inspirational. Encourages them to achieve something. And individual impact means creates a powerful effect on the behavior and perception of the followers. Acknowledgement. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, like and press bell icon. Please also spare some time to answer this question, that is this video lecture explained the concept well or not? Thank you very much. Best of luck.